if I told you that by this time next year, you could be making an extra $3,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 per month, without quitting your job? In 2026, side hustles are no longer about working harder. They're about working smarter, leveraging technology, and solving real problems that businesses and individuals are willing to pay for immediately. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 fast-earning side hustles to start in 2026. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. These are high-demand, proven hustles that can start generating income in weeks, not years. Let's get straight into number 5. Number 5. AI content creation services. What it is. Businesses need content every single day. Social media posts, ads, blogs, product descriptions, and short-form videos. In 2026, most businesses know AI exists, but they don't know how to use it properly. Your side hustle is simple. You use AI tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and video tools to create content for businesses, and you charge them monthly. Why it pays fast. Businesses already have budgets for marketing. If you help them save time and money, they pay immediately. You don't need to be an expert writer or designer. You need to know how to prompt AI effectively and deliver results. How to start. Pick one niche. Real estate agents, restaurants, gyms, or online coaches. Offer a content package like 30 social media posts per month, 10 short videos, captions and hashtags included. Reach out directly through Instagram, email, or LinkedIn. Potential income. One client can pay between $800 to $2,000 per month. With 5 clients, that's $4,000 to $10,000 per month. With 10 clients, you're looking at $8,000 to $20,000 per month. Number 4. Short-form video editing for creators and businesses. What it is. Short-form video dominates TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and ads. Most creators hate editing, but they desperately need daily content. Your job is to turn raw footage into high-engagement short videos. Why it pays fast. This is a painkiller skill, not a luxury. Creators make money from views, and businesses make money from ads. If your edits increase engagement, you become extremely valuable. How to start. Learn basic editing using CapCut or Premiere Pro. Focus on hooks in the first 3 seconds. Captions, zooms, and transitions. Offer a weekly or monthly package instead of charging per video. Potential income. Editors charge between $30 to $100 per short video. Monthly retainers range from $1,000 to $5,000 per client. With just 4 clients paying $2,000 each, you can earn $8,000 per month. Number 3. AI automation setup for small businesses. What it is. Small businesses waste hours on emails, follow-ups, bookings, and customer support. You set up AI automations that handle these tasks automatically. Examples include AI chatbots answering customer questions, automated booking systems, lead follow-up emails and texts. Why it pays fast. This saves businesses time and payroll costs, which means they happily pay up front. Once the system is set up, maintenance is minimal, making this a high-leverage hustle. How to start. Learn basic automation using tools like Zapier, Make, and AI chatbots. Target local businesses like clinics, salons, law firms, and service providers. Potential income. Setup fees range from $1,500 to $5,000 per project. Monthly maintenance fees range from $300 to $1,000. With 2 setups per month, you can earn $4,000 to $10,000 plus recurring income. Number 2. Digital product reselling and bundling. What it is. Instead of creating products from scratch, you legally resell or bundle digital products such as templates, Notion, dashboards, AI prompts, ebooks. You package them as solutions to a specific problem. Why it pays fast. Digital products have 0 inventory and 0 shipping. Once listed, they can sell 24/7. How to start. Pick a niche problem like social media growth, resume building, business planning, content creation. Sell through Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Potential income. Low-priced products between $15 and $50 sell fast. Selling just 10 products per day at $20 equals $6,000 per month. With ads or organic traffic, top sellers earn $10,000 to $30,000 per month. Number 1. High-ticket remote service. The fastest. What it is. This is the fastest way to make serious money in 2026. You offer a high-value service that directly helps businesses make more money or save costs. Examples include lead generation, sales appointment setting, paid ads, management CRM and AI integrations. Why it pays fast. Businesses don't care about hours, they care about results. If you bring them clients, they pay premium prices. How to start. Choose one service. Learn it deeply, for 30 to 60 days. Reach out to businesses and offer a free audit or demo. Potential income. High-ticket clients pay between $2,500 to $10,000 per month. Just 3 clients at $5,000 per month equals $15,000 monthly. Scale to 10 clients and you're making $50,000 per month. The biggest mistake people make in 2026 is waiting for the perfect time. Every one of these side hustles can be started this week. If you want fast income, focus on solving real problems, charging for results, leveraging AI and automation. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more future-proof income ideas, and comment below which side hustle you're starting first.